Hello Internet. We are walking down to Toronto's waterfront. Why can't I talk? We are walking down.
Walk and talk.
Yes, I know, obviously. We are walking down to Toronto's waterfront to the Yelp's Nauti with an I by nature. Haha. Boat tour. I think it's a party. We don't know what it is exactly.
Well, there'll be food involved.
No, actually they said there's not going to be any food involved. They said to eat before,
what?
Which is sort of a problem.
Tell me this. I'm going to be hangry.
Oh man. All right, so we're heading there and seeing what comes of it. We're going to be stuck on a boat, so with no food. We might eat some people. That's why it's called naughty by nature. Thankfully, they have a food truck just before going on the boat, but unfortunately, what?
Cheese and garlic bread.
It's cheese and garlic bread, which is totally no-no for the diet. What is this?
This is our rotisserie baked cheesy garlic bread, otherwise known as a chimney stacks. Hop it off the spindle, cup upside down, do the flip.
Awesome. Thank you.
Enjoy, guys. Thank you.
Never seen such a thing.
Never.
Hi. Not bad. It's pretty impressive to see a boat with like graffiti tags. Thank you. Oh, I'm spilling beer and haven't drinking yet. So this is going to be an interesting cruise full of taste testing, I guess.
There seems to be a lot more people than there are tasters.
True.
That's probably why they said eat it.
Yeah. So we just took off on what is to be a 3-hour tour. Yeah. Sun just set. We're at the halfway point of the cruise.
Hi. Sorry, I'm putting up a vine.
And we are turning around, heading back. Very picturesque. after a 3-hour tour, we're heading home.
3-hour tour.
Tired and looking forward to bed.
Yes. I'm going to the bathroom in like a non-gross bathroom.
Good night.